Hello my friends. While the weather is still warm and the ground is not frozen, I decided to go out into the field with a metal detector, hoping to find some kind of metal. In addition to a metal detector and a shovel, I took a couple of walnuts with me. If there are any finds, we will throw one walnut into the hole and dig in. I hope trees will grow out of them in the future. I wish you a pleasant viewing. Do not forget to rate the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Here is the first signal in 10 minutes. It turned out to be some kind of aluminum tube. It may have had toothpaste in it before. There are very few signals. I hope there will be more further. The second find is already larger. I found just such a piece of iron. It is not clear why, but it weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Moving on. There is a lot of thin metal lying on the surface. Here's what else we managed to find. Most likely, this is a part from the stove. It is very pleasant to find something like that. For 15 minutes there was not a single signal. Here is another interesting find. This is a very old metal scoop. Unfortunately, my friends, I haven't changed the batteries on the metal detector for a long time, and as you can see it is completely depleted. But it's good that I managed to at least find something. In principle, I was very pleased with today's walk. Although I didn't find anything of value, I had a good time in nature. If you want more similar videos, rate this video, like and write more comments. Everyone, bye.